Welcome to this NX sheet metal tutorial video. In this video we will create a straight break sheet metal product along with the necessary manufacturing documentation. We will now go ahead and begin to model our sheet metal part by simply starting with creating the base feature for sheet metal part. We draw a rectangle and then NX applies the proper thickness to our sheet metal part. This is based on sheet metal standards for material that's stored in NX. These standards include thickness, K-factors, relief value, etc. By picking edges, we start to make some flanges around our box that were needed to encompass our machinery mechanisms. As you can see, we can add different size flanges all at the same time to quickly get our box shape. Now we will create the flat pattern for our final shape. The flat pattern is automatically generated and contains the manufacturing information needed to produce the part, which enables seamless downstream communication. As we continue to model the part, we will notice the flat pattern continues to update automatically. So as we continue to add standard features, you can see our flat pattern is updating immediately, which gives us immediate feedback and documentation automatically for us without any additional work needing to be done at the end of our design. Once the box shape is done, we start to add a cable tray on the back side of the box to contain the cables and other wires. The flat pattern continues to update. Watch as we go ahead and close off the corners. Our flat pattern, as you see, has a sharp 90-degree corner. As we create a closed corner along these edges with a circular shape, we automatically get the update to our flat pattern. As all our form features are done, you'll notice as we continue to get all the information we need for screw holes, punch outs, form features, and anything else that's a standard feature, it's automatically documented. Immediately our flat pattern updates based on the features as we enter them. This makes modeling with NX sheet metal a snap, easy to use, and quick to complete your design process. Thank you for watching this video tutorial of NX sheet metal. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. Do you wish to see some specific NX content? Feel free to leave suggestions in the comments.